Mm-hmm. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. See? So, them all give up Emancipation Day. This one I send but resend that cause what the purpose? Really and truly. When I emancipated. So may I say. Alright. You see, we have a prime minister, in Jamaica right here now. See? Andrew Holness. In Andrew Holness yearbook, Andrew Holness wrote that he was gonna be assassinated by the Jamaican people. You know that name high school yearbook. See? So you see, when it comes to issues like these now, it's a very delicate and affectionate issues to the Jamaican people. Because Jamaican people revere them independence, them the heroes, and the whole struggle leading up to the emancipation. You understand what I say? So when a prime minister, a black man like myself now, come in power and I disregard rather than build upon the history, you know what I say, rather than enhance the information some more, put it out there some more so that people can have stronger regards for where we come from to where we are today, in a seed, and develop stronger self-esteem and greater intent to pursue greater greatness, in a seed, rather than inspire the poor population, the poor ghetto population, island population for greatness. It's like the prime minister with that one year, I introduced some little thing in the system whereby it's like you try to trigger a reaction, a certain reaction with most of your actions them in regards to the culture of such. When it come to reggae music, you disregard reggae music except for when you don't want to get re-elected. At them time they don't reggae artists and try to get them to sing song phone or do dub plate phone and them thing there. You know, see, up to this point no build a soundproof event area whereby reggae music dancehall can go, youth them can go practice and develop them skills and them craft, whereby local people can go enjoy the culture with them create and want to embrace. You understand what I say? A full time now for our prime minister them stop play the role of the oppressor, stop be the bully boy them for the oppressor upon our island, and I try and I discharge suppress our culture like we are idiot. You understand what I say? The people them, the notion of emancipation is a strong confidence boost and a strong confidence builder, and also slapping at the face of the oppressors who never wanted us to be emancipated, who still skewed the Emancipation Proclamation to this point. You understand what I say? So it's like, so well then, our prime minister, our black prime minister represent these people more than him represent us who look like him. You understand what I say? When you look on the people I'm responsible for the whole agenda, you find says like a Asian type man him put in charge of I culture, I history. You know, see, I don't remember where his name, but go check it up. Asian man. Oh, Asian man for how on earth him can relate and communicate our culture as we know it when him can't him still speak with an accent, with an Asiatic accent. You understand what I say? How stupid is that? You know, say our prime minister definitely a push for see him wish him childish dream. You know, see, it come like a joke thing. You know, see, emancipation, we know, so we're not emancipated, you know. But you see, just the notion, it's kind of satisfactory. You know, see, yeah, We know say now we control the bank. The Queen still control the finance, the economics of the country. How it grow and how it fall. You understand what I say? So really and truly, we know what time of day it is. You know, see, but it's a journey and it's a process. You know, see, we have to envision it like that in order for, you know, persevere. You know, see, and when you as a prime minister, a black man, I gonna come like you want to denounce the whole process without any rational explanation. What do you think? Bro, God, you come like a fool you take people for. You know, see, and you yourself no respect our culture. You know, see, me don't know how where you get your education from or who control you. But me know a whole heap of youth and a whole heap of people that expect to come see at least a bit of development on the black part of the culture to a degree during your tenure. Yeah, you get what I say? We don't expect you to come and be the one for destroy it and I put people in a place where not have no relation to the culture whatsoever. When a modern day culture you make representation of you share my with slave past, you share my nanny and Taki and them people. How that guy there, Mr. Ying, Mr. Yap, Mr. Yep, how him I gonna represent Jamaican culture, the predominant black people of Jamaica who live and endure the times and create the history of Jamaica as it is today. How can you dare put one? It's like you show the world so we don't have nobody in our country respectably enough or capable enough for operate for be the cultural attaché for a country. It's like that you tell yourself. You understand what I say? I total disrespect that. You know, see, I total disrespect that. And you see the whole heap of gun them only let na the island where the youth them have down there, You don't have no reason why you do it, you know. Me I tell you know. I feel like say island gold there Jamaica, you know. And you just want to disrupt the country through the point you can just turn it in a civil war type of thing you can thief out you want to bring in all sort of draconian laws and measures upon the youth them so that you can get for extract what you want to extract out of the country without the people seeing the benefit of the resource. By the people them to realize what go on, it's too late. It's not the first place this ever happened. It happened before. But I can't see the reason for them all heap of gun there in the island and the non-action, the inaction of the politician them in regards to the gun them and in regards to the development are swaying the mind of the potential new gunman them, new recruit them. You know, see it? Nobody now do nothing in regards to that. Everybody just sit one side of them, eat proper cold freezer, air condition. You know, see it with legs up. You know, see it? And just a wait upon the youth them to bring them agenda to the forefront. You know, see it? Not the youth them agenda, you know. Them the politician agenda. Because the youth them no agenda, you know. Youth them are rebel without a cause. That's why you find so much innocent people are dead. Because the youth them no principle, no discipline, you know it. You know, see it? The only discipline we can come out of this, you know, is chaos. Where politicians enjoy, where them can go back to them foreign friends and say the country out of hand, them need support, them need this, them need that. You know, see it? And then them pack it all out for themselves. You understand what I say? Because every economic support where them get from whoever, you know, that the country they have to come spend it in Jamaica personally, else the local people not see the benefit of that. If a road, them put on 1 inch, 2 inch asphalt on a surface was supposed to have at least 8 inches. You know, see it? You know, see it? And then them blame the people, blame all the driver them, blame the rain, blame the element, blame everything. Where in essence, all of them things was designed with all of them things there in mind. You know, see it? Yet still, our infrastructure them can't last for more than a day. You see, politicians them a cipher off the money man, use inferior material and inferior workmen and all them type of thing there. Use them friend as tradesman, as contractor and them thing there. You see. And then now the little emancipation celebration where the people them have for themselves to feel good about themselves. Yeah, attack that. Yeah, attack that youth. Yo, I say bigger the youth. I'm not telling a lie, you know. Because you're intelligent, you know. I'm man not underestimate the oppressor, you know, or the aggressor, you know. Never ever, you know. You're far too you're proper intelligent for being in a position where you're there. You know, see, you're an idiot. You know, see, everything where you do a part of the plan, you know, that's something where you plan and orchestrate. Because I never hear no leader in a life yet expect or desire to be assassinated by the people where him serve. You understand what I say? If that are your desire, it are your desire, and anything where you want, you are going to do everything in your power to see it come a reality, you know. You know, see, that's how you want to go down in a history. You know, see, but a prison you for go rotten. A prison the people them for send you. You know, see, inevitably, you have push the wrong button them until a day you end up reach. You know, see, emancipation is a national recognized, adored day by every nation. Yeah, come try call our one Imancipendunce. Imancipendunce is your big yard where you have up on the hillside, man. Where a whole heap of conflicts around it and a whole heap of allegations say drugs money by it. Because you never work anywhere to get any sort of resource to buy that the big house and build that the big house up on the hill. If you go emancipendent, I'm going to emancipendunce it, make everybody can go in there, go investigate and look and see what go on. You know, see it. New name for you open the big gate like a museum where people can just drive in and go see what go on. You know, see it. And that's what you do, man. If I hear nobody else in the world I try I do nothing like that, you're disrespectful. You know, see it. Yeah, your Chinese friend them where you have surround you. Where disrupt the very fabric of the only opposition the world has ever seen, the system has ever seen as we know it. Jamaica, the only black superpower, the only challenge to anything out there where is not black or not unified, not equal. Black Jamaica, the only place in the world where have a medium, an entity where challenge and highlight certain things, which is reggae music. You know, see, when you come with them type of attitude there, and them things towards the culture, and demoralize the whole prospect, the whole intent, the whole plan. You know, see, now disrupt the apple cart. I don't know what do intentionally, because we see it from way back in the 80s when they introduced free cable to the youth them. You know, see it, any youth can go watch free pornographic movie, any graphic criminal activity. You know, see it. We basically transform our old culture into a new American style culture because I just bear that the youth them and surround them every day for free. You know, see, channels where Jamaican I watch for free. People in America where the whole thing invent, I feel pay daily for watch them thing there. You know, see it. Infiltrate the culture and disrupt it. And now I have a guy in there now where actually I try reverse or a whitewash the history as we know it. You know, see it. We're bringing this emancipendunce argument. Man, go suck yourself with that, man. I want to hear. Share, like, and subscribe.